Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose kicking off with a brand new set of videos for this Wednesday. And this is the first video of the day. This is with a company called UnitedHealthCare, and the job role for this job position is a customer service representative. It's a national remote job. And the start pay for this company with this job position will be $16 an hour to $26.88 per hour. It's a full-time position and it's based out in Dallas, Texas. And this job benefits goes as 401k matching. Now the full job description goes as this $1,500 sign-on bonus for external candidates. Yes, you heard it right, $1,500 sign-on bonus. I mentioned this job before in my channel a while back. If you can go ahead and rewind and go see the other videos that I posted just recently and the ones that were in the past as well. Because these jobs, they keep continuously hiring. The jobs that I post to my channel, they do steady hiring. So let's go ahead and get into this full job description for this company, United Healthcare, as being a customer service representative. You'll enjoy the flexibility to telecommute from anywhere within the US as you take on some tough challenges. Even if you have no prior experience, yes, this job, you don't even have to have any type of experience to have this job, you guys. It's not an entry level position, it's a no prior experience job listing. Okay, we have training classes starting soon to help you build the successful career that you want. Apply today. We provide the support and structure. You provide the interest and motivation. You like working with people? Even more so, you like helping them. This is your chance to join a team dedicated to help our members and their families every day. In this role, as a customer service rep and claims representative, you'll join us on a mission to not only deliver the best customer service in the healthcare industry, but the best customer service as well too, period. Your your compassion and customer service expertise combined with our support, training, and development will ensure your success. This is no small opportunity. This is where you can bring your compassion for others while doing your life's best work. In this role, you play a critical role in creating a quality experience for the callers that you connect with and those that you correspond with. Every interaction gives you that opportunity to improve the lives of our customers and to see their expectations. You'll spend the majority of your day by responding to calls from our members and help answer questions and resolving issues regarding healthcare eligibility, claims, and payments. You'll also spend a portion of your time reviewing, researching, and processing healthcare claims with the goal to ensure that every claim has a fair and thorough review. This position is full time, it's a 40-hour work week position, Monday to Friday. Employees are required to have flexibility to work any of our 8 shift schedules during our normal business hours of 7 a.m. through 8 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. It may be necessary given the business needs to work occasional overtime. Now, with this company, the primary responsibility goes as answer incoming phone calls from customers and identify the type of assistance the customer needs, benefits, eligibility, billing and payments, authorizations for treatment, and escalations of benefits. Ask appropriate questions and listen actively to identify specific questions or issues with documenting required information in computer systems. Own problem through to resolution on behalf of the customer in a real time or through comprehensive and timely following up with the member. Review and research incoming healthcare claims from members and providers, doctors, clinics, etc. by navigating multiple computer systems and platforms and verifies varieties of data and information necessary for processing, pricing, prior authorization, and applicable benefits. Ensure that the prior benefits are applied to each claim by using the appropriate processes and procedures. claims processing policies and procedures, grievance procedures, state mandates, CMS, Medicare guidelines and benefit plans, documents and certificates. Communicate and collaborate with members and providers to resolve issues using clear, simple language to ensure understanding. Meet the performance goals and established for the position in the areas of efficiency, accuracy, quality, member satisfaction, and attendance. You'll be rewarded and recognized for your performance in an area and environment that will challenge you and give you clear definition and direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. Now, the requirements for this company in this role, for this job position as being a customer service rep, which is a CSR position, is high school diploma, GED or higher, or 10 years of equivalent working experience. All new hires will be required to successfully complete the customer service training classes and demonstrate proficiency of the material. Ability to work regularly, scheduled shifts within our hours of operation, including the training period, where lunches and breaks are scheduled with the flexibility to adjust daily schedule and work overtime and or weekends as needed. Now, the preferred qualifications, not required but preferred, are 1 year plus prior experience in an office setting, call center setting, or phone support role. Now, the telecommuting requirements will go as required to have a dedicated work area established that is separated from other living areas and provides information privately. Ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure if applicable, must live in a location that can receive a United Health Group approved high speed internet connection or leverage an existing high speed internet connection. Now, the soft skills you will need for this company is demonstrate ability to quickly build rapport and respond to customers in a compassionate manner by identifying and exceeding customer expectations, responding in respectful, timely manner, consistently meeting commitments, demonstrate ability to listen skillfully, collect relevant information, determine immediate requests, and identify the current and future needs of the members. Prof- Proficient problem solving approach to quickly access current state and formulate recommendations. Proficient in translating healthcare related jargon and complex processes into simple step by step instructions customers can understand and act upon. Flexibility to customize approach to meet all types of members, communication styles, and personalities. Proficient conflict management skills to include ability to resolve issues in a stressful situation and demonstrating personal resilience. Now, this company is amazing, you guys. They even have the careers with United Healthcare. They tell exactly what type of company this is, what it's all about, and how to help military families and veterans find employment. And they also help people who have differences, like who need reasonable accommodations. And they are an equal opportunity employer. And yes, they are hiring. They just posted this job today as of this Wednesday, October the 5th. So you guys jump up on it. That is the video for today for this video. Now, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and comment down below and join the Diamond Squad, you guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome to newcomers. Hello, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are excited about finding these jobs, these second jobs, these first jobs, even these part-time jobs. If you're a stay-at-home mom, these are jobs are perfect for you. And I've had part-time jobs for moms who want to work um, during part-time or temporarily work or want to work overnight. I have jobs of that nature on my channel as well, and I will be posting more as well soon. So yes, that'll be all for this video, you guys. And I will talk to you guys later and get a piece of that word pie. Talk to you on the next one. Bye.